Good morning. Today is Monday, October 6th. It's great to be back. This is Todd Mitchell for today's free video. And I believe I've got a pretty good trade setup for you here, okay? The symbol is GPRE. GPRE, and the company is Green Plains Inc., okay? Right over here. So what I urge you to do is pop this up on your chart as well. This is a daily chart, and what I've done here, obviously the longer term trend is up, okay? Anyone can see that the trend is up, okay? What I've done is, now of course we've had a pretty deep pullback, you know, pretty much along with the general market, okay? So this is the all-time high right in here, okay? We've pulled back pretty dramatically back to the purple line here. As we all know by now, it's a 200 exponential moving average. Then what I did was I took it a step further. I took from this low here, from the beginning of the rally, right in here, from this low, I measured from this low to this high, okay? So what you see here, so in TradeStation, all you do is you click on the Fibonacci tool, put it at this low, drag it up to the high, and you get these numbers. So the 38.2 is right here. The 50% of that bigger up move is right here, and the 60 is down in here. And then what I did was I wanted to do one more swing. So I took it from this low right in here, which I call an active low. This is a rather significant low, right? Because it's at this point where the market started to really rally to make those new highs, right? Took out the older high here, rallied up to the new highs. So this swing right in here. So the 38.2 is right here. The 50% is right here. We got a little bounce, as you can see, before dropping off to new lows. And then look at this. The 61.8 is right there. So what we do when we have two swings of Fibonacci retracement, so this low here to this high, the bigger set, and then we took it from what we call an active low to the high, we've got a smaller set. So we look at these two sets of Fibonacci retracements, and we look at which, if any, fib levels are on top of one another, okay? And as you can see here, look at this. The 38.2% retracement of the bigger swing is right here, and then the 61.8% retracement from this low, active low to high, right on top. So you see these two lines right in here? They're right on top of each other. That's a significant level where you'd be looking to go long. That's called Fibonacci confluence, okay? So let's do this so you can see it a little better. All right, so now you can see price a little better, right? So the market's pulled down, not only to that Fibonacci confluence right in here, which you can see a little better now, right? Fibonacci confluence right in here. Thursday, the market hit the 200. Not only that, but the market took out the 60-day low in this stock, which was right down in here on rather high volume. Okay, so not only that, so we're not only at Fibonacci confluence, we not only hit the 200 exponential on last Thursday, okay, but we've created what you hear me talk about all the time, that inside bar, right? The high is lower than Thursday's high, and the low is higher than Thursday's low. So we've got a price pattern right at Fibonacci confluence, sitting right on top of the 200 exponential moving average. I believe there's a great trade setup here. Now remember, a trade setup and an actual trade are two separate things, right? So a trade setup just sets up the trade. We're looking for a potential trigger to go long today. My trigger to get long this stock, GPRE, is at 34.51. That's my magic number, 34.51. Now, how do I get that? Well, the high of Friday is 34.38. So I look 10 cents above 34.38 is 34.48. And since it's only 2 cents shy of a half number of 34.5, I'll go 1 penny above 34.5 to 34.51. I'm looking to go long at 34.51, and as long as that high is broken first, then I would place my stop below the low of Friday, which is 32.87 to 32.77. So that's the trade setup, right? My trigger to get long is 34.51 with an initial catastrophic stop, ISL, at 32.77. As long as the high is broken first, that's where my stop goes. If the low is broken first and then the market reverses up through the high, then I would put my stop below the intraday low. Okay? Hope that helps. Let's make some money today. It's great to be back. And if you got any questions, let me know. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.